Hi, my name is Anika and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a festive water candle using recycled items from your home. The materials that you will need are water, rose petals or any other form of decoration, essential oil, glitter, which is optional, cotton balls to make a cotton wick, a mason jar, and oil. You will also need a plastic bag or some sort of form of plastic and scissors. This mason jar used to be a pasta sauce jar, but now I'm just recycling it and using it here. So now I'm just gonna take apart the rose petals and put it in. You could also put pebbles or cranberries or anything else instead. Now I'm gonna pour in the water. And I'm gonna fill this up about 4/5 of the way with water. I think that there's a bit too many rose petals, so I'm just gonna take some out before I add in the glitter. And now I'm gonna add in some glitter. You could also add food coloring if you want to color the water. And now I'm gonna add in the essential oil. Mine is jasmine. Now I'm gonna just stir it all together. Now I'm going to show you how to make a cotton wick. So you just take one cotton ball and stretch it out a bit. Now that it's all stretched out, you're going to roll it so it becomes thin. So it becomes like a thin stick. And if it gets too hard to roll after some time, then you can just take a bit of oil like this, put it on your palm, and then roll it. Now that I'm done rolling, I'm gonna take scissors and cut about 3 inches off and only use those 3 inches. Now you want to cut a circle from the plastic, which I already did, and the diameter of the circle should approximately be the diameter of the mason jar. And now I'm just going to fold this into quarters. And then I'm going to cut a tiny hole on the top to fit the wick. And I'm just going to put it through. Now I'm going to take the oil, and as you can see, there's some sediments on the bottom. So this oil my mom actually used to fry something earlier. So I'm just going to reuse it. And just make sure that none of the you can use like new oil, but I'm just going to use this. But make sure if you're using pre-used oil, just like don't get any of the sediments in. So I'm just going to pour some of the oil. And then I'm gonna place the wick and the plastic on top. Just make sure it's like 3/4 is the 3/4 of it's on the bottom and 1/4 on the top, like that. And then you just stick it in. And make sure that the plastic goes in the oil, but not in the water. Now let's light the candle. Look how beautiful the candle looks just by using recycled items from your home. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and comment on my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. See you guys next time. Bye!